Hello guys. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about the ICH guidelines. So, the full form of the ICH is what? The International Conference on the Harmonization. So, it is one government committee which is established in the 1990. It is established by the Japan, US, and the Europe. These are the main continent which is actually responsible for the establishment of the ICH. So there are several committees are work together in the ICS, which involves the METRA committee, steering committee, and the secretariat and the ICS working groups. So this is the basic structure of the ICS, and the ICS provide the all guidelines to the any pharmaceutical product which are related to the human use, food and drug, pharmaceutical product, and which provides the guidelines which are related to the quality, safety, efficacy, and multidisciplinary. Quality means what? There are 14 guidelines which are comes under the quality. Quality. Then after the some, there are each content means the QSEM, quality, safety, efficacy, and multidisciplinary includes the various types of guidelines according to their use and their parameters as well, and required to follow the all guidelines which are given mentioned in the ICH. There are official portal on the Google which is the ICH. Any person can access that guidelines, and if you want to marketize your product, so you require to follow the all guidelines which are given in the ICH portal. So let's see the what which types of guidelines which are comes under the ICH. So first is the ICH quality guidelines, which includes all 14 guidelines which are related to the quality of the product. So first one is the stability, means the stability of that particular product. So which includes the photo stability or the stability conditions, which types of stability conditions required for the pharmaceutical product. So okay, so it is the Q1 guideline, and Q2 is the analytical validation, means validation of the analytical procedures which are involved in the manufacturing of the pharmaceutical product. And Q3 is the impurities, which impurities means there are some solvent impurities, means some are the factors which can affect the quality of the products, which are degrade your products quality, so which is known as the impurities. And next one is the Q4 is the pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia means Indian pharmacopoeia, British pharmacopoeia, which includes a monograph of the drugs. Then after the Q5, which is the quality of the biotechnological products, means quality of the biotechnological products. Means biotechnological products means what? Which are related to genetic engineering, means DNA, RNA, means those which are related to the genetic material. And next means the Q6, which is a specification, means all specification criteria which are comes under the Q6 guideline. And next is the Q7, good manufacturing practices. And next one is the Q8, pharmaceutical development. Q9, risk management, quality risk management, QRM. Next is the pharmaceutical quality system, and likewise Q11, 12, 13, and 14 guidelines also there, which are related to quality of the product. So these all types of guidelines which are comes under the quality guidelines. And next one is the if safety guidelines, which includes all safety parameters. First one is the carcinogenicity studies. Carcinogenicity studies means what? There are some residual solvents or some factors which can occur the carcinogenicity. Carcinogenicity means city means what? There are some factors which can cause the cancer. Okay, so this type of stability data which comes under the S1A. S2 is the genotoxicity. All types of the stability data means toxicity data which comes under the safety. Safety means how our drug, you can say that ensure the your drug or your product is safe, okay, for the human use. Okay, so which includes all types of this safety data. Okay, toxicokinetics, pharmacokinetic toxicity testing, uh, toxicity reproductive toxicology, biotechnological products, pharmacology study, immunotoxicology, photo safety evolution, non-clinical pediatric safety, means how you are going to ensure the your product is safety safe for the human use. So ensuring the your product is follows the R guidelines which are given in the ICS safety guidelines. Okay, so which are related to the safety guidelines. And next one is the efficacy guidelines. efficacy guidelines ensures that your product is effective on the particular disease or disorder which increase the quality of life of the human. Okay, so basically there are 21 guidelines which are comes under the efficacy guidelines. So let's see, the first is the clinical safety for the drug used in the long term treatment, and second is the ETO, which is the pharmacovigilance, and the next one is the clinical study report, and next one is the dose response study. Likewise, the all guidelines which are related to the safety of your product, and which one of the most important guideline, which is a E6 good clinical practices, which includes all information which are related to, or which these guidelines required to follow during the conduction of the clinical trial of the any pharmaceutical product after the preclinical trials. Okay, and next is the multidisciplinary guidelines, means that after the, if your product is following the all guidelines, quality, safety, and efficacy guidelines, then after you require to approve your product in the some country or the in another state or anywhere you want to marketize your product. So that time you need to register your product in that particular country guidelines. So that time you require some documents, document format or the documents. So this all types of the documents which are comes under the multidisciplinary. Okay, means those things which are not covered in the quality, safety, and efficacy. So there are all those remaining things are which are comes under the multidisciplinary guidelines. Okay, so let's see, the M1 is a meta terminology, M2 is the electronic standards, M3 non-clinical safety studies. Non-clinical safety study means which includes data related to preclinical trials. Okay, common technical document which is the CTD, which is M4, which is a very important guideline which are basically used in the regulatory affairs during the preparation of the dossier in the CTD format, because CTD is basically accepted in the all countries. If you want to marketize your product in the any particular country, so that time you need to register your product. For the registration, CTD format is accepted by the any regulated, non-regulated, and the semi-regulated countries. Okay, so likewise gene therapy, mutagenicity, electronic ECTD. ECTD is basically used by the all countries for the dossier. Biopharmaceutical classification system, biowaivers, likewise all documentary. If you want to documentary data, all guidelines which are related to documentary data. So this is what about the basic layout of the ICH, means which types of guidelines are comes under the which content, and the basic structure of the ICH as well. So I hope you have got the brief idea regarding the ICH. So thanks all of you.